Abacus classes.
Good evening students, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are in the best of your health. Welcome to the Abacus classes. Kids, I am your Abacus teacher, Miss Karima Singh. I hope you remember me. Now kids, in my previous video, I have told you the sums like this. And I have given you one number. That number you have to put in your abacus structure. Kids, do you remember? Very nice. In my previous video, I have told you that how you will put this number in this tool. Means you have to make the beats according to this number. And with this video, I have also given you one homework PDF, or you can say it as a worksheet I have given you. I think students, you have completed that worksheet in your abacus notebook. Again, I am reminding you kids, the homework PDFs which I am giving you with the video, you have to do that homework PDFs in your abacus notebook. So, let's start our today's topic. अब हम अपना आज का टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे. Kids, as you have learned how to make the beads, now today we will put that beads in the abacus tool. आज हम वो beads abacus tool में रखेंगे. So before that, I request all the students to please take your abacus tool in your hands. Yes kids, main important thing is that you should do with me. आपको मेरे साथ करना है abacus. So what you have to do? See, play my video and do with me in the tool. I will do on the board. मैं board में करूँगी और आप मेरे साथ साथ tool में करेंगे. Then only you will be able to do the abacus. Is it fine kids? Very good. So fastly go and bring your tool and start with me. Now kids, I hope all are having the abacus tool in their hands. Now first of all, I will give you a quick revision of the abacus tool. See, this is your tool. This is the mid rod. Mid rod means beach ki rod, the mid one. Now this rod is called the units rod, or you can call it ones rod. Have you studied ones? If you are not remembering unit, you can call it ones rod also. Ones rod, ones rod. And just besides the ones rod, it is the tens rod. Okay students, so this is ones rod, this is tens rod. In these two rods only, we do our calculations. हम जितने भी calculations करते हैं, इन दो rods में करते हैं. Okay, so today I will tell you some sums on the whiteboard, and we will do that sums in the abacus tool, and you will do with me. So let's start. Our first sum is 11 3 minus 2. So kids, let's start. I will do on the board in this tool and you will do in your own tool. Okay? So first of all, there is 11. Now see kids, the first thing which you have to see that the numbers which are there here, जो numbers इस side होते हैं, वो सारे ones rod में जाते हैं. They go in ones rod. And the numbers which are there on the left hand side, आपके left hand की तरफ होते हैं, those numbers go in tens rod. Is it fine? See kids. The numbers which are there in the right hand side, जो आपके right hand side की तरफ होते हैं, वो ones rod में जाते हैं. And the numbers which are on the left hand side, जो आपके left hand की तरफ होते हैं, वो tens rod में जाते हैं. इज इट फाइन? मीन्स ये साइड वाली रो आपकी वंस रॉड में जाएगी एंड दिस रो विल गो इन टेंस रॉड. नाउ योर फर्स्ट नंबर इज 1. See, so 1 will go in one's rod. 1 and see, any sign is there in front of 11? No. So this means you have to add. If no sign is there, अगर कोई sign नहीं है तो आपको add करना है. And if the sign is there, see minus, then you have to minus the number. Minus means subtract. So 1 you have to add and this number will go in one's rod. So 1 add means for adding what you do? Up. For subtracting, down. Up, add, down, subtract. If you want to add, you have to do the beat up. And if you want to subtract, you have to put the beat down. So 1. See, you have added 1. You have put the bead up. In your abacus tool, put the 1 bead up. Done? Very nice. Now you have to add 1. This one will go in tens rod. See, this is tens rod. So put the 1 bead up and you have added. See, 1 in one's rod, 1 in tens rod. Now you can see that there is only 3. Tens rod वाला number तो है ही नहीं. There is no number for tens rod. So nothing. No, you have to do nothing. See, 3 you have to put in one's rod and no sign means add. So 3. 3 means 3 bead up. Kids, I am doing here. You have to do in your abacus tool. See, 1, 2, 3. I have put the 3 beads up. Now what you have to do? See, minus 2. And kids, you can see I am drawing one line. See, these all are in one's rod. There is no number for tens rod. If it will be there, अगर tens वाला number होगा तो हम उसे यहाँ पे tens rod में add करेंगे या subtract करेंगे. But see, no tens number is there. Only one's rod number is there. So हम calculation अपनी सिर्फ one's rod में करेंगे. Now minus 2. Now 2 is also in one's rod. So minus 2. Minus means put the bead down. So 2 beads down. Now count. See, I have put the 2 beads down. You also put the 2 beads down. Now count. All you have to count the tens rod. Then you have to count the ones rod. So in tens rod, see which number? See, 1. This is 1. So in tens rod it is 1. And in this units rod it is 1, 2. So here is 2. So your answer is 12. Kids, it is taking time because I am explaining you and I am doing on the board and rubbing it again and again. ये time taking है because मैं इसको tool में कर रही हूँ और मैं rub कर रही हूँ. If you will do directly in the tool, it will be in some seconds. You can do your sums in some seconds. So just practice the sums, kids. Now we will move to our next sum. And you kids, set your abacus. Set means upper beads up and lower beads down. Now your second sum. 230 minus 1. Now first of all, what you have to do? You have to make ones and tens. Ones, tens. See now, The first number is 2 and 2 is in ones. So you have to put 2 in ones rod and no sign is there means add. You have to add 2 in ones rod. So ones rod. 2. Add 2 means 2 beads up. Because for add you have to put the beads up. Now come to this. Now see kids, here is 0. First of all you put the number in ones rod. Then you will put the number in tens rod. पहले आप नंबर को वंस रॉड में पुट करेंगे, देन टेंस रॉड में पुट करेंगे. So here is 0. See 0 means nothing. So you have to put 0 in ones rod. So in ones rod 0 means nothing you have to do. So nothing. Now you have to put 3 in tens rod. See 3 in tens rod. Tens के नीचे है 3. So 3 you have to put in tens rod. So I will put 3 now. No sign means add. So for add you have to put the beads up. 2, 3. See kids, I have put the 3 beads up. 1, 2, 3. Now the last is minus 1. Now you can see 1 is in ones rod. And it is minus. So minus means put the bead down. And in ones rod. In ones rod, put the 1 bead down. And the question is complete. Now count. See 1, 2, 3. This is 3 and this is 1. So 3 in tens rod and 1 in ones rod. So your answer is 31. You can see kids, very nice. Kids, again I am repeating. This side numbers will go in ones rod means first row, first rod, second row, second rod. जो वंस वाले नंबर्स हैं वो वंस रॉड में जाएंगे, जो टेंस वाले नंबर है वो टेंस रॉड में जाएंगे. Okay kids, now we will go for our next sum. You can do it very fastly and in an easy way if you will do with me. Just play the video and take the tool with you and do with me. Then only you can able to do it and learn it. So we will go for our next sum now. Our third sum. 341. See, it's very important to write in a pattern. Pattern means, see 3 is in this side. 301. These are on in one line. ये सारे एक ही line में हैं. And 4 is in different line. See. It's very important to write the numbers in a pattern. उन्हें एक पैटर्न में लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. See 301 ये एक लाइन में है and 4 is in other line. You don't have to draw this line. But number should be written very clearly. Now this number will go in ones rod and this in tens rod as you always do. Done kids? Very nice. Set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now 3 will go in ones rod because it is down the ones. ये ones के नीचे है तो ये किस में जाएगा? Ones rod में. And see no sign means add. So 3. Add means put the beads up. So 3 beads up. 1, 2, 3. Done? Very nice. Now next is 0. 0 you have to put in ones rod. You just have to see like this. 0 in ones rod. 0 means Nothing. So nothing we will do in this rod. The next number is 4. 4 you have to put in tens rod. So tens rod 4. Now 4 no sign means add. You have to add 4. Add 4 means put the 4 beads up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Now this is done. This is done. Now the last is 1. So now 1 will go in one's rod. And 1 no sign is there means add. Add means put the bead up. So 1 in one's rod. Put the bead up. Now what is your answer? Now count for the tens rod first. See 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Students, listen. See, this is tens. So tens rod, the tens number will come first. कुछ बच्चे क्या करेंगे, पहले इस रॉड को काउंट करेंगे, यहाँ लिख देंगे, देन इस रॉड को काउंट करेंगे, यहाँ लिख देंगे. नो, एज यू कैन सी दिस इज फॉर टेंस रो. ये टेंस की रो है तो यहाँ पे टेंस का नंबर आएगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू काउंट दिस रॉड. आपको ये रॉड काउंट करनी है. देन यू हैव टू राइट. देन यू हैव टू काउंट द नेक्स्ट रॉड एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट. आपको नेक्स्ट रॉड काउंट करके तब लिखनी है. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. And your answer is 44. See tens rod, tens number, ones rod number. Answer is 44 and your sum is completed. I hope students you are getting it. Very nice. Now we will go for our next sum. Those students who are not getting, we will do some more sums and I'm sure you will get it. But just focus on the video. So now our fourth sum. Set your abacus kids. Upper beads up and lower beads down. Kids, one time if you will understand it and if you will practice the sums, then you can easily do it and it is a very fun activity, kids. See lower beads down, upper beads up. Now your fourth sum. 44 minus 3, 2. Now as I always says, this will go in ones rod, this will go in tens rod. This is fixed. Just learn it. This will go in ones rod, this will go in tens rod. Fine kids? Very nice. Now first of all put this number in ones rod. 4 को आप ones rod में put करेंगे. Now see, no sign means add. Now you have to add 4 in ones rod. So add means put the beads up. So 4 beads you will put up in ones rod. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the beads up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 in tens rod. Tens rod means this rod. 4 means no sign means add. This means you have to put the beads up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is done. Now come to next. Next means 3. Now 3 will go in ones rod. Now minus 3. Please watch the signs. Signs आप देखेंगे. Minus 3. Minus 3 means you have to subtract. And you have to subtract it from ones rod. Minus 3. So minus means put the beads down. So first of all 1 bead down. Then 2 bead down. Then 3 bead down. See 1, 2, 3. I have put the beads down. You also kids put the beads down because we have to do minus 3. in ones rod. Now your last is 2. Now 2, no sign is there means add. Add means put the beads up. Very nice. Now you are getting it. Now put the 2 beads up in ones rod. Now your question is done. We have added 2. We have put the 2 beads up. See 1, 2. Done. Now answer. So first which rod you have to count? The tens rod. Because see T is there, tens rod. Here first of all. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. So write 4 here. Now count the next 1, 2, 3. So 3 here and this is your answer. Your answer is 43. Fine. Now we will go for our next sum. Now our fifth sum. And set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Students, this is a very fun activity if you will learn it. 10, 2. This is your sum, kids. Now, this will go in ones rod, this will go in tens rod. Just remember it. Now, first of all, now kids, now I think so you are getting this. Now we will do the sums firstly. Now, first of all, the 0 will go in ones rod. 0 means nothing. So, nothing we will do. Now, this 1 will go in tens rod. The first number go in first rod. The second number will go in second rod. So, this 1 will go in tens rod. This is tens rod, second rod. No sign means add. Add means put the bead up. So, 1 bead up in tens rod. Put the 1 bead up. In 2 you can do. Now the next is 2. This we have done. So 2 will go in ones rod and no sign means add. And this is in ones rod. So you will add 2 in ones rod means you will put the 2 beads up. It's very easy, kids. Now the 1. 1 will go in ones rod and you have no sign means you have to add. Add means put the bead up. So 1 will go in ones rod and put the bead up. Now you are completed. Now answer. See, count this. This is 1 and this is 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 3. The answer is 13. Very nice, kids. And this is your answer. Now we will go for our next sum. Kids, 7 sums we will do today. We have done 5. Now set your abacus. Upper beads up and lower beads down. Our sixth sum. 23 minus 2 minus 1. See, 3, 2, 1 is below the ones and 2 is below tens. And then nothing is there. So let's start. First of all, 3 will go in ones rod. So 3, no sign means add. So add 3 means put the beads up. 1, 2, 3. Put the beads up. See, 1, 2, 3. Now you have to put 2 in tens rod. See, 2 in tens rod. In tens rod. We can also call it T and you can also call it 1. So, O. Tens rod T. So 2. 2, no sign means add. That means you have to put the 2 beads up. 2 beads up. See, 1, 2, 2 in 10's rod, 1, 2, 3, 3 in 1's rod. Done kids? Very nice. Now, this done. Now minus 2. Now 2 will go in 1's rod, and please watch the sign minus is there. Minus means you have to put the bead down. So minus 2. So put the 2 bead down. आपको 2 bead नीचे करनी है. See, 1, 2, I have put the 2 beads down. Fine. Now this is done. Now the next 1 in 1's rod, but minus sign is there, means you have to subtract 1. Subtract means put the bead down from 1's rod 1. So this 1's rod, 1 bead you will put it down. आपको नीचे कर देनी है. Down. Then you have minus 1. Now answer. See, here is 1, 2. And here is nothing. See, when you will put the bead up, जब आप bead को ऊपर करते हैं, जब वो इस line से touch होती है, when it touches this line, तब आप उसे count करते हैं. जैसे ये 2 beads हैं, ये इस line को touch कर रही हैं, तो आपने इन्हें count किया. आपने नीचे वालों को तो count नहीं किया. You have not count the down one. Same way, when it will go up, then only you will count it. जब ये ऊपर जाएंगे तब आप इन्हें count करेंगे. This time they are down, ये नीचे हैं, so you will not count them because they are not touching the bar. This is bar. ये जो beads हैं ये bar को touch नहीं कर रही हैं, तो आप इन्हें count नहीं करेंगे. So see, any bead is there? Up? No. No means nothing. Nothing means 0. So your answer is 20. Kids, fine. Now we will go for our last sum. Set your abacus, kids. Again I am repeating, kids, the beads which touches the bar. जो beads bar को touch करती हैं, आप उन्हें ही count करते हैं. Like this. See, they are down. They are not touching the bar. ये ऊपर नहीं है, ये इस बार को touch नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो हम इन्हें count नहीं करेंगे. अभी इनकी वैल्यू नहीं है. When it will go up, जब ये ऊपर जाएंगी और इस बार से टच करेंगी, तब हम इन्हें काउंट करेंगे. फाइन. नाउ अवर लास्ट सम विच इज 12 2 minus 4. Now kids, now you are very much familiar with the sums. So our first number will go in one's rod, and no sign means add. Add means put the beads up. So 1 2. Put the 2 beads up. Now 1 will go in 10's rod. Put the 1 bead up. See, that 2 goes into this 1's rod, and that 1 will go in 10's rod. So this is completed. Now next 2. Now 2 will go in 1's rod, and no sign means add. So when you have to add, you have to put the bead up. So put the 2 beads up. Done? Very nice. Now minus 4. Minus 4, and this 4 will go in 1's rod. This rod. A minus 4 means you have to put the bead down. So see, 1 2 3 4, all the 4 are up. So you will put all the 4 down. Because there is minus 4. Fine. Minus 4 means you have put the 4 beads down. Minus means put the beads down. Now count, kids. You will not count these 3 beads because they are down. They are not touching the bar. ये इस बार को टच नहीं कर रही हैं, इसलिए आप इन्हें काउंट नहीं करेंगे. So only 1 bead is touching the bar. So it means 1. This is 1. And see, these all 4 beads are down. ये सारी की सारी 4 beads नीचे हैं. कोई bead बार को टच नहीं कर रही है. No bead is touching the bar. So this means nothing means 0. And this is your answer. I hope kids you get today's sums and they are very easy if you will do with me. So just play my video and do the sums with me. You can easily practice the abacus. Kids, you have to do the sums in this tool only and in this 2 rods. It's very easy. Now kids, with this video I have given you one practice PDF. Practice PDF means in that PDF there are sums related to our today's video. Just try to do that sums with the help of abacus tool. I hope kids you like my today's video and just try to do that sums with the help of abacus tool in your abacus notebook. Again I am repeating kids, the homework PDFs which are coming with the video, वो homework PDFs जो वीडियो के साथ आ रही हैं वो आपको अपनी abacus notebook में करनी है. Okay kids? Now I hope you like my video. Just stay fit and healthy. Thank you.
Practice the sums in abacus notebook. Like and subscribe the video. Thank you.